get ready with me. We're using some new products. So I already have my brows filled in, and I'm just going in with this brow spray, brushing my brow hairs and shaping them. I've been trying this product out and I am quite happy with it. I won't be wearing any foundation, just concealer. So moving on to concealer, place it here, lift the eyes, cover my dark circles a little bit, place some here, 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 and maybe a little bit here. Let's do here and here. No foundation, just only concealer. Now I'm just going to blend it all out with a damp puff. I like to damp my puff. I have now dry skin, so the more moisture I give my skin, the better it will look. Let's keep blending all of this out. Let me add some concealer here as an eyeshadow primer. Blend. Now I'll be using this warmer shade here. And we're going to blend it out. Use a fluffy brush to blend your shadow so it looks more seamlessly. Blending the same shadow on my lower lash line. Now I like to go in with another warmer shade, this one right here called Warm Hearted, and with the same fluffy brush and apply it here on my outer V. Blend the eyeshadow into your crease and your outer V and drag it a little bit. Tempted to add a little shimmer shadow. I won't add any glitter, but I might use this one in the center of my eyelid, and then this one on my inner corner. I'm going in with this shade here, pop it on the center of my eyes, just for a halo effect. I love to do this for my eye makeup. I think there's something beautiful and ethereal about it. Now we're going into the shade here, Love and Light, and we're just gonna place it in our inner corner. Ready. As we place it in our inner corner, I drag it a little bit here to my lower lash line and upwards here. We are looking pretty. Okay, let's line the eyes. Let's finish lining this eye. Mascara for your beautiful lashes, coat them. Now this mascara is something that for some reason I had not tried, but I've been using it non-stop, and as you can see, I don't use a lash curler or anything like that, only the mascara wand, and let me tell you, it gives my lashes volume and length. It just takes a few coats and you can already see the difference in my lashes, and yes, it holds the curl. I did my other eye off camera, but let me finish both of my eyes, and my lashes are looking very nice. This is the way I like them, and this is such an affordable mascara. All the makeup details will be in the comment section. So we are done with the eyes, and we're almost done with this look. This is another new product that I've just recently got, and let me tell you, it's so lovely. Okay, let's do a dot here and a dot here, and I'm just gonna blend it here, more here, maybe in the tip of my nose, and here, maybe drag it there. For the lips, I'm using this very bright shade here. However, I'm just gonna do a wash of color like so. You could add a gloss on top, but look at that. Let's add more. Guess what? This is the final look. And what do we think? Did we like any of the products? And which one was it? Let me know in the comment section down below. We'll see you guys on my next video.